How should I label this? I think just 1, 2, 3, 4.
I know, just do like.
I could do 1A, or yeah, 1S for 1 SD, and I could do 1M for 1 micro SD. So if I'm recording 2 at the same day, so if I'll do vlog and time lapse, then I can know that both the 1 memory cards are for this day, and then 2. So I'm gonna do 1S.
I was just gonna say yeah, no matter what. So, yeah. What time is it? 11:36, and my day is already right now. Started out, transmission in the truck is acting stupid. So I had to drive my S2000 in the rain. It's dirty, sliding all over the place because these Toyos are terrible in the rain, but it is what it is. Just drive slow. And upon pulling in the shop, make the day even better, I noticed I ran over a self-tapping screw. So now I gotta plug my tire. Thank goodness I have to get new ones anyway, because come to find out these are cracking from sitting out in the cold, which I should have did my research on them, but whatever. Guess the R888s are not good in the cold weather. Mainly because I let the car sit, because I don't drive it in the cold. It's cool. I get a whole new set. Just a lot of money being pooped down the chute. I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse plugging this tire right quick. So if y'all just finished watching the time lapse, I was struggling plugging the tire because it's a pain in the ass. And then I cut my finger. Last step after plugging it, you know, just gotta go ahead and trim the hedges. Yep. That looks nasty. Looks like a piece of turd. Make it dirty so it blends in better.
Maybe we should even start up here if it's that far out up here.
Yeah, up front.
We'll start right here.
I probably hit the pole exactly right there.
Should I show them?
Yeah, go for it. I don't care.
What, the damage?
This car might be for sale soon.
Damn!
Well, look at that. Have you seen that? In there? It's kind of hard to see the sheet metal. Well, you can see the hole. Yeah, you can see into the engine bay.
Show the firewall. That gives you a clear example of what happened.
Damn, what you, hold up. Did something blow out?
All right, so yeah, we'll start up here. And we'll just leave this where it is, and we'll just pull it and keep referencing it.
Back as you go.
Yeah.
The many benefits of being a body tech, you can fix all your issues without a hefty price tag.
One of the main negatives of being a body tech, you can fix all of your issues and not just pay someone else to do it. This thing, I hate this shit. You gonna hold that release down? It doesn't fucking just keep going on this pump.
What does that technically do?
What does this do?
Yeah.
This has little teeth inside that pinch the metal. This is really old and worn out, but it still works. It's still the best clamp that I have. I have brand new clamps that aren't as good as this one. But we're just pulling this over. So we measured from the back bolt on that hinge to the fender bolt on that side, which is square.
So you measure from this one?
So this basically points to where this bolt should be. This bolt should be here. That should be there.
Dang.
Yeah. We haven't even started looking at back here. But I think it's gonna be too low. So it's gonna have to go up.
I'm looking at the shock tower. The shock tower is moving a bunch when you start pulling it from that point. So even if that doesn't pull out, I feel like the shock tower is coming out.
And then just weld in a plate, weld into like some plates or some shit.
You're not getting that kink out of that. Pulling it forward right now, or just pulling it out?
Hold up.
Pulling it forward and out.
So instead of doing it the sketched out way, what are you going to do now?
But we're just slowly working the whole rail from the pinch weld, and then we'll work the rail from the top, and then we might end up taking off the wheel and lifting the rail.
You talking about?
But we might do that with the welds, because we can weld it on here. You might.
What are you didn't tell them what you welding.
What am I welding?
Well, what's gonna get welded?
So like, I don't even know what the term is for it. Frame machine.
No, you
Welding tab.
Some plate tabs or something.
Yeah, it's like a tab.
Layman terms.
It's basically another tab to hold.
I mean,
this guy
you'll see
up
it in
here.
a second. It's very easy. You look at it, it makes a lot of sense.
I mean, I will see it. I'm talking about for the other people.
I know, they'll see it too.
No, they
Unless
still
we're
have-
not, you know what, cut. We're not going to show them the rest of the
Keep rolling. So, basically, welding some tabs.
Yeah.
He's getting real formal with it today. Got the measuring tape. Okay.
I mean, it's kind of hard to even. What was the other one at?
23. That one?
All right, we're at more than 22 and a half.
Roberto in the house.
Looks better than it did for sure.
It's all square. It's all good. But it was going to take way too long. What? Oh, am I supposed to pretend it's not done yet? Just show them the time lapse.
Got my main man Desmond in the house.
The frame machine. All right, so now the time lapse is over.
He's bad.
Let me show you. Get to the front of the car. Get to the front of the car. Okay, look. So before, this bolt to this strut was here. We pulled it out, and now if you see, the center of this bolt to the top of this bolt, it looks like it got a little bit off. Okay, and now I'll do the opposite. Okay, you see it's square.
No longer bent.
This was like here. So he welded these tabs to it, pulled it all out, and now we're gonna see if we can't get the caster out of it, and the air compressor's running.
And now that the top part is straightened out from being all bent and jank, you say now you're gonna start working on.
Well, he's trying to pull the frame rail because the subframe is bent. Because if you look, the wheel went into here, smacked all of that. Look, all of that's obviously supposed to be here. But we're thinking that this is bent in. So we're trying to pull this out to move the subframe forward and then get caster out of it, because right now his wheel will hit right here. But if not, then just take the nut off of this arm, and then you can get more caster out of that.
So yeah, just compensate with the.
Exactly. Or who cares? Drill another hole up here, mount that arm further forward, and get that adjustment out of it. Why not? We're not trying to make this shit perfect. We're just trying to make it drive straight.
The switch fuse keeps blowing, so I'm gonna try to jump it and see what happens. Might blow the whole fuse box out, man.
So what issues are you running into now?
So ever since we fixed the rail and everything and pulled that out, basically after welding, it wouldn't start, and now it keeps blowing that ignition switch fuse, which prevents the car from starting.
What do you think? You pulled a wire or you burned it?
I don't know why it didn't want to work the first first time, but yeah, I think the wire from the ignition switch runs to the ECU, back out here to basically a power block. So the wire runs everywhere, and it could have got pinched in the accident, anything. So I think it's just a short in the wire, and it's pulling too much power. But that was weird. It didn't want to start at first, and all I did is take that 30 amp fuse out and basically jump it with the wire. That'll work for me.
Besides that though, bodywork wise, like,
Oh, shout out to Greg. Absolutely killed it. This is probably, I'd say it's about an inch or two off now. And where before this shock tower was probably 4 inches in. Greg killed it.
so that's it?
That's it.
Alright, cool.
I don't have a fender right now, so I'm gonna just rock a bumper, hood.
Oh, so you put a new tire on?
Yeah.
Cool.
The old rim actually broke in half. The whole backside of the rim's gone.
Damn.
Yeah. I had a brand new, I don't even know what tires I'm running. Okay, I got Pirellis.
Running that shop special, whatever you can find.
Special, yep.
Good fun car. At least you messed up on this and not something else.
You know which one I'm not trying to mess up.
Keep practicing in this one.
Yep, I get better. I'll be in that one eventually. Don't invest a lot of money into a drift car. It's the biggest mistake you'll ever make.
Because you
The
gonna mess
moment
up.
you get it on the road, you're crashing.
Dude, that's any car.
Yeah, like that.
When you try any car.
Exactly, and not even that. Like something like your build, dude.
Don't even get me started. That's
So
why.
scary.
Oh, we
We decided we're ordering the coilovers because this thing's gonna be done and I'm not gonna have them here, so I should just have them on the way. I've got some other goodies coming for the Z too.
agreed. But I wanted to wrap up.
I'm not gonna say I'm the best, but I am.
We fixed the missile covers.
I don't know what I'm doing right now. Trying to make stars on my ceiling. You'll see.
Whoa.
You'll see.
Hopefully you didn't get a glimpse of what's going on with the Lexus right now because y'all can't see it right now. I can't tell you what's going on. Just know there's more interior paint mods and take a quick. Oh, that thing looking nice.
You just said you can't tell them. I showed them.
No, I'm looking at myself.
Oh.
Come on, man. You think I'm gonna spoil it like that? I can't spoil it.
I won't put it past.
But just to wrap it up with the missile car, Greg fixed Christian's frame rail. What was it? Frame? Just you put out just the frame rail, right? Hold up. Let me get over here. Oh, you gotta stick your head out the door right quick.
Out the door? Peek through the roof.
There you go.
Wait, what?
So yeah, just
Yeah, he crashed into a pole, and then we just welded tabs and clamped his upper frame rail, pulled it out about 2 inches, I would guess. And now everything's square. His alignment seems a little weird, but I think his subframe's bent, so does he.
as long as it goes straight, like you said, that's all that matters.
Well, now he's trying to get it to run, so that's more important than going straight. We'll see you in the next one. Comment, like, subscribe. Love y'all.